How to send snaps without media upload in a Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to send snaps without media upload in a Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Sign in to your account. You simply need to navigate to the chat icon or friends icon at bottom left corner of your screen. So you can open a particular chat or select a friend or group and then tap on send the chat icon. You can easily type your message and hit the send icon. So this was simply a text message, but in order to send a blank snap, you simply need to come back, tap on camera icon at bottom center of your screen. You can take a snap or you can cover the lens or take a black photo. Now you can easily tap on the sticker icon at top right corner of your screen and choose any sticker if you like. You can even add a text here and tap on the send icon at bottom right corner of your screen. You can send to any friends and tap the arrow. Note, Snapchat requests a photo or video for snaps, but text chats are a great alternative. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.